knocked backwards, fortunately for the Canes. Penalty.
Okay. You want playing on the ground here?
They're taking it quickly. And Proctor almost slides in.
No, it's not.
The Hurricanes.
Stay on.
Red hot on attack now, and they've got numbers, and over the top it is Fini Anganofo. Good take from Durns. And they set it up nicely, and they've got some forward momentum as well. The Hurricanes off the back of plenty of possession and back-to-back penalties, and they get the try.
Ball on the line.
Lamani, the crowd starts to roar. Vode, he's 5 out. Lamani again. Murray gets up, goes again. Murray!
Short!
Still short.
On the line.
Centimetres away. And Barrett floats one over the top, nobody in front there, and it's a simple try at the end.
It's a ruck. Kane's in front, wait in front,
This time
wingers
Barrett's
on.
sending it down to the 22. And Dorsesi running it back.
Let him run!
Goes to the air. Intercepted! And he has got another one. Scored in Lautoka. The sense that the crowd is building up. Armstrong Mabulla. Over the top it goes. Dorsesi into the 22. And Borval, Armstrong Mabulla. Wide ball. Hits Rabbi. Penny Rabbi. Got it away. Wonga is in. And there's a little bit of room to move. Out wide as well. Punavai taken by Lamani.
He wins the ball. None is knocked on. He wins the ball.
Knocked on. It's gone backwards. The full-time siren sounds.
No. He's off his feet. Leave him.
And so it's now or never for the Hurricanes.
Timing good.
Here's Proctor. All that All Black experience. Proctor showing and going and then losing it forward. He's knocked it on.
Timing was good.
Let the crowd tell the story again in Lautoka.